So guys, it's day 86 of the cut, and of me trying my best to get rid of my acne while eating as healthy as I can. Let's check the weight. 211 pounds. It's pretty good. Just drink a liter of water. Currently 8:10. I got half a liter of water. I'm drinking most of it right now. Oh, nice. Let's start the day off with my delicious overnight oats. This is scrumptious. It's currently 10:06. I got a new Monster energy drink flavor. Ultra Vice Guava. I love the design. Boom. Look at that. Let's crack it open. That's pretty good. I definitely taste the fruit. Very light tasting, but tastes good. This is probably my favorite out of the three that I got from the variety pack from Costco. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'll eat the next meal in like 30 to 40 minutes. Take 10 grams of L-citrulline. Come on, cook me some steaks. Damn, my chest used to be way bigger. It used to be like poking through the shirt. Still is a little bit, but don't worry, next bulk, I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna get hard. All right, I am feeling great today. I am feeling really good. Amazing pump, amazing night's sleep. Got some good food to eat. I'm looking pretty good. This place still got some pretty good lighting. You see them? Yeah, I'm feeling good today. Incline chest press, superset that with some tricep pushdowns. I did some more tricep pushdowns on themselves. And some side belt raises. I'm going to do another chest workout, another tricep workout. Still really hurts. Last disc in my spine. Yeah, looking good. My delts were like twice the size. And my abs were like twice as developed, twice as big. I'll be looking huge, like 10 times better. When you look at the physique, that looks like shredded and just like muscular. Abs add so much to the physique. Don't have the best abs in the next fight, grow them, so it's fine. I have to stand a little closer. Let's show this light. Wow, I'm feeling great. Fucking fantastic today. Is your right side just fully down? Damn. Alright, back to the workout. This is beautiful. Amazing pump. Come outside. It's sunny out and it's rainy. It is gorgeous. It's got a nice little drizzle. I'm gonna go back on home, drink a shake, and do some sprints around the park. This is the first day that my skin is burning just a little bit from using the cream. It looks fine, just like a little bit red, but the acne in my forehead almost completely gone. Just a few little spots up there. Look at this little puppy. So fluffy. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy.
You'll find it.
That might have been one of the fastest runs I've ever been on. I sprinted my heart out. I pushed myself as hard as I possibly could have. And it got me thinking, when was the last time I really pushed myself this hard? Go outside right now and try sprinting as fast as you can. I did not track any calories today. I have no idea how much I ate. Yeah, this is not good. The whole entire week, I've not been tracking my calories. Next week is a new week. I gotta get back on it. I've been running a lot more and I absolutely love it. But I know I'm burning a lot of calories by doing that. My mom made me some delicious spaghetti, so I'll go downstairs and eat some of that. And is it too late for a protein shake? It's currently 10:46. Delicious looking spaghetti. Take a look at that. That is looking scrumptious. That is a top-down view. That looks about 500, 600 calories. Also got one of these. These are pretty good. 20 grams of protein, 170 calories. Fantastic. It's a pretty fun day today. Hung out with some friends, chilled, made some YouTube videos. Great day, I'm grateful. I'll chow down this meal, enjoy every single bite. Excited for tomorrow, going to the beach tomorrow. Gonna get the same pizza I got last week, or the week before that. Last week I did not have a cheat meal. Yeah, no cheat meal last week. Gonna eat 2 pizzas all by myself tomorrow. I'm gonna get 2 prosciutto pizzas. Those were delicious last time. That was New Buffalo. I'll chat on this. Enjoy every bite. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.